What is it?
Look, you act like you knew what you were doing.
Look at it.
Quit doing that. I don't like it. Quit doing it. Don't you do that no more.
Look at his smile.
Don't you do that no more. It's not funny. No. It's not funny. Oh, you got the hiccups. It's from drinking all that milk, huh? It looks like he laughs every time he hiccups.
Yeah, look.
He's like, what the heck is this stuff? What? Hi. What you doing?
He's looking at you like he wants you. He's like looking at you like, what's going on with me?
Oh,
He doesn't like it.
it's okay. I get him something to drink so they stop it, huh? They better stop that. You better stop it. What's that? What is that? You hear it? He heard that baby crying earlier today and his eyes went straight back trying to see where it was.
What are you doing? You got the hiccups. You got the hiccups. That's my boy got the hiccups.